Hello everyone, thank you for watching my new video. Today, we will be creating a candy box as a wonderful gift for our children, friends, or family members. To do so, we will need some glue, some carved pieces of wood, and our favorite tools. First, I will start by gluing all the inner parts together. Then, I will repeat this process with all the other parts, and finally, I will glue the back of the box. Then, I'll take the front part of the sheep design and attach the hooves to it. After that, you can use paper or acrylic glue if you don't have acrylic. I improvised a bit, so I hope you understand. I just want to say again how happy I am that you're watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe to my Instagram and Facebook pages for free designs. I use paper, but you can cut this part out of acrylic. Also, my husband and I run a few stores with designs, so we would love it if you could share our videos with your friends. If you watched the whole video, please let me know in the private message on Etsy that you watched the video on YouTube, and I will send you a free design with your purchase. After that, we can decorate it with some candy and other goodies. So, let's get started and create some fun and delicious gifts for our loved ones.